and smush it in your hand. Mommy, we need to wash our hands.
Yeah, I think so.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Yay! Mommy, let's do it. Yes. Did 1/4. There, I try my best. Will I try? 3, 2, let me try. What? I bet there's no more sugar. Yep. Oh yeah. They're squishing some banana. You're smacking it. So banana, it can go in my eyes. And then we can lick it. Yeah. After this, can we lick all these? Okay, let's lick it.
So who goes first?
Me, no, I'm gonna crack mine. Okay, mine is doesn't have even have anything. Okay, smush it in. Guys, let's use the fork. I always okay. Sourdough. Sourdough. Yeah. Wow. Maybe one more is enough. Okay, let's see that. Maybe we're gonna pour it in. Use the whisk, Cayman. Just go, go, go. Mommy says to go, go, go. And can I stir because you stir that much? It's so funny. Use your fork. Oh, the fork is much more better. So it's little. It's so mushy, like stretchy. Where's your fork? Right there. Oh. I put my... Okay, I guess. Not be silly. Just slow. Just be slow. It's none. G-O. 1 scoop. That's enough. Yeah, towel. Don't do that. I'm gonna. Dust it off. Look, it's all smooth. It's all smooth. Whoa, that was cool. We're gonna put chocolate chips in this bread. Let's dump it all in, okay? Okay. No, do not. It looks like very good chocolate. Yummy, yummy. Can we eat some too? Can I eat some?
That's a lot.
A handful for each. You can have the whole bag. There's a few more left in here. We're chefs, so we get some. No more. That's not okay. You can do it. I'm gonna eat. We're gonna. This is oil and some milk on the bottom and we're on the top. So now we're gonna pour it in and make it black. And we have to mix it. It looks like egg yolk. Hey, it looks like egg yolk. Dig a canal. In the sand. Digging in this. I wish we had a spatula and digging in the sand. You can do slowly too. How come the chocolate chip's not coming down? Mommy. So scared. Now let's scrape. I mean, look at it. I'm gonna make one of those videos. You know, are we gonna watch all of it? Thank you for watching. See you next time. See you next time. See you next time.